Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. So, we're going to start this 69 Boss 302 Mustang by Revell. This kit was given to me as a gift. I'm excited to start it. It's for Scale Speedworks 60th anniversary Mustang group build, hosted by Mike. I think we have until next year, like April 16th, I think, or 15th. But anyway, I'll probably post it up to 70-75%, and then I have to remember we can't post a reveal until next year, so I just have to remember that. But anyway, this is a fairly modern kit. I believe it's 2002. I saw it before when I was looking at it. So where is it? Oh, here it goes. 2020, I mean. So probably the biggest biggest decision is what color. So I'm leaning more toward either blue or green. If it's a rattle can job, probably blue. If it's a airbrush job, probably green. So anyway, let me cut the plastic and we'll take a look at what's inside. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's inside. Everything's sealed. This is the clear plastic headlights, one piece windows. Ooh, Firestone pad printed, wide ovals. They probably look more realistic because it's really not that wide, but it's wide. If this was 1-to-1 scale. You know how sometimes for models tires have to be really wide to look outrageous, but it's not too outrageous. Okay, so let me open up the bags. Alright, so everything's unbagged. Let's take a look at the chrome parts. So the wheels look nice. You probably have to blacken the inside where the nuts are. Again, I haven't seen the instruction sheet, so the bumpers, some of these parts I'm guessing. So nice shifter, valve covers. I think the valve covers even say Ford on it. Let's take a look at the engine parts. This will probably be painted blue. The louvers, probably black. Rear panel. Wheel backs, drive shaft, radiator. Leaf springs. This looks like the inside set of lights with the high beams. That's part of the grille. And this chassis instrument panel. It looks like there are raised details, so I'll have to see whether they provide decals or not, or we'll just have to highlight that. Engine block, front end, fan shroud. Looks like some frame braces. This is the interior tub. So this is kind of done for easy install because the dual cars are not separate. Seats, exhaust pipes. That's the outer set of lights. Red tail lights. Like how it's textured inside. Spoiler. Hood scoop. This looks like side mirror mounts. Oh, I guess they gave me 2 sets. Okay, I guess if I screw up detailing, and of course, lastly, let's take a look at the body. Body looks really nice. much flashing. I think it says Mustang. And then let's take a look at the instruction sheet. I like those Fender hockey stick decals, say 302. Choice of license plates. Ooh, Illinois only, land of Lincoln. The wood grain adhesives that were popular in the 70s and late 60s. Little history on it. Colors, separate parts, more separate parts. Typical engine first. So decals are provided because that looks like decal placement guide. Do have to make the inside black. The louvers are going to look nice. It's the first kit I'm building with louvers. Louvers was pretty big also in the 80s. It's the color scheme. Okay, so the biggest decision is probably the color, whether it's spray can blue or airbrush green. Alright, let me wash the parts and I'll be back.